The Find My iPhone feature on your iPhone helps you to be able to track it if you ever lose your iPhone, but also allows you to share your location with other people. If it's not working or grayed out, the first thing we're going to do is get into your settings to fix that. So tap on your settings, and the first thing we'll look at is if you scroll down, let's find privacy and security there towards the bottom. Just tap on that on your phone, and then tap on location services at the very top. Now, from here at the very top, location services, if this is toggled off, you just need to make sure to turn this on. In addition to that, you can tap on share my location, and you need to make sure Find My iPhone is turned on at the very top if it allows you to turn it on. However, if it doesn't allow you to turn that on, then potentially there could be another issue. So let's go back to the very beginning of your settings here. And once you're on the very beginning of the settings, let's scroll down until you see the option that says screen time. Tap on the screen time option. Now from here, we're going to scroll down and you can see content and privacy restrictions. Just tap on that button. And if this is toggled on at the very top, I would recommend toggling this off to see if that fixes the issue for the Find My feature. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing I would recommend doing is going back to the very beginning of your settings, and you're looking for something that looks like this. It might say new iCloud terms or conditions for your Apple account or your iPhone. Essentially, you need to go through the process of accepting those terms and conditions. So it might show up on this screen somewhere, or you might need to tap on your Apple ID at the very top, and you might need to go in here and accept terms and conditions if it does pop up with anything. Now, if any of these don't work, the next thing that we're going to do is, again, go to the very beginning of your settings. And we're going to tap on the general option towards the bottom. Now, from here, we're going to do two different things. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the software update to see if there is an update. If there is, just update to the latest version. If there isn't an update, let's go back out of here and we'll scroll to the bottom and hit the shutdown button. Just turn off your phone and restart it. You'd be surprised how many times bugs and glitches on your iPhone are just fixed by restarting your iPhone. If all of those don't work, the last thing I would recommend doing is hitting this transfer or reset iPhone at the very bottom. And then we'll tap on the reset option, the second to last. And from here, we're going to reset all of your settings. So bring all of your settings back to just the factory default, enter in your passcode here, and go through this process. And this is surely to fix your issue with any of the location services or the Find My app grayed out.